Hi, Samantha, Creative Gardener. So, one of the things that I've been doing is looking at how I can collect the pigments from plants in the garden and the different colours I can get. I'm going to move as it's a bit breezy here. So I'm experimenting, and I'll show you when we get into the studio some of the things that I've already done with the plant pigments. And I'm quite excited at how you can use them as a dye. So I'll show you the plants that I'm going to be using and the results that I've got so far. So we'll start over here, shall we? Go with it. Ooh. Okay, so first off, this is the bougainvillea, yeah? So these have white flowers, as you can see, but produce these red leaves, orange, white, what other colours have I seen? I think those are the three colours that I've seen. And the red leaf actually produces a colour. So we're going to be using that one. I'm also experimenting with the flower petal. The flower from the aloes, which you can see here. It's very pretty. Next up, what else am I using? Come here. The Mexican sunflower, as you can see, produces yellow flowers, and I'm experimenting with the petals there. The colours that I've currently got in the garden in terms of flowers is white, yellow. I'm using this leaf. This is a scaevola. When you boil it, the leaves turn blue. So it turns a shade of blue, a really deep blue. And I'm hoping that maybe if I boil it and then I pound them, that I'll be able to get like an indigo-ish kind of colour. So far I've got a green colour, which you'll see from the leaves. I've got the henna, which produces a greenish colour. I've still got to experiment. I only did a few leaves. I'll probably take some of the leaves today and see what I can do with them. Oh yeah, this is the other one. This one, the local name is Jacob's Coat. There is a green variety of this plant, and its leaves produce a red colour dye. But still, again, more experimentation needs to be done, because I'd like it to dry as like a powdered pigment. At the moment it's wet, so I need to let the water evaporate and then blend it, grind it. But those are the plants that I'm looking at so far. With the aloes, I found that it's kind of a kind of gelatinous, it goes into like a gelatinous type of mix, but I will show you. So in our next video, what I'll do is I'll share with you the results of my experimentation. Take care for now, and if you're doing it too, let me know what your results are.